tu les jettes et ça ne fait que le cacher.
Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Josephine's Timeless Fashion and Beauty, and today's video is a Shein haul video, and I am so excited, ladies, to be sharing with you this Shein haul video. And of course, this video is going to be all about dresses that I got from Shein that I am truly excited to be sharing with all of you. And before I even get started in the dress haul, I wanted to say that I am back. Yes, ladies, I am back. I am back. I am going to continue to do more videos, more French chic style video, more of the elegant style videos, and I'm gonna be doing more makeup videos and fragrance review videos. So I will be doing all of those type of videos. So I am back, and I know that a lot of you have been asking questions like, Josephine, when are you gonna be posting a new video on your channel? I know that a lot of you were asking me questions about when am I gonna be posting videos, what happened. Well, I am back, ladies. I just have been really busy, and I just haven't had a chance for me to post a video in this channel. Now, I do have another channel, and I noticed that some of my wonderful subscribers from my other channel, which is designed by Josephine and Josie, which is all about home decor and gardening and tablescapes. I noticed that some of my wonderful subscribers from that channel subscribe to this channel, and so I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you subscribing to this channel, and I'll continue to do more videos. And like I have mentioned, the schedule is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to be posting videos every Sunday. I am going to be posting videos every other Sunday. So that is going to be the schedule for this channel. And so it's going to be every other Sunday. And then also, I do want to mention that if you enjoy this video, definitely click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and also leave a comment down below. Let me know what dress you actually liked, how I style it, how would you style the dresses if you were to have some of these dresses. And like I have mentioned, these dresses are from Shein, and I just love shopping at Shein because it's budget friendly, and the dresses and the other things that they have look absolutely gorgeous. Okay, ladies, so let me go ahead and get started in these dresses. Now, of course, these dresses are a little bit different than the dresses that I usually get from Shein, like the one I'm wearing in today's video, which is very feminine, very floral, very romantic. It is a little bit different than the dresses that I usually wear, that I usually get, but I do wear these type of dresses. I actually do wear them, and I wanted to share the type of dresses that I got from Shein. So these dresses, they're not like a floral pattern. They're basic dresses, but I still wanted to share the beauty of these dresses, and I'm really happy that I got them. And I really needed basic dresses for me to put in my wardrobe, because most of the dresses that I have right now, they have a floral pattern on them, and they're maxi dresses, and they kind of have that floral romantic type of style. And so I wanted something a little bit more chic, basic, and very classy, feminine, elegant. So that's the type of look that I was going for when I was shopping for these dresses. So I have about 4 dresses here that I'm going to be sharing with all of you that I got from Shein. And let me go ahead and get started with the black dress. Now, I feel like every woman should have a few black dresses in her wardrobe. You should have a black dress for when you're going to go to a special occasion, like a cocktail dress. But you also need to have like maybe a long gown black dress. And I also want to say that I feel like every woman should also have a basic casual black dress that you can dress up and down. And let me go ahead and share with you the black dress that I got. So here is the black dress that I got from Shein. Now this one is the oversized look type of dresses. So this dress is meant to look oversized. It's one of those dresses that you usually see a lot of women in France usually wear around spring and summer. You know, I usually see a lot of women wear these in France with a straw bag or a straw hat, and it's meant to be wide and is meant to be oversized. And what I love about this is that it have pockets, and you're gonna see how I basically style this dress. And it is not a maxi dress, but it's pretty long. And here is the back. Okay, and then this is the front. Now, one thing that I have to say, this part right here on the arm is a little bit low. So one of the things that I would suggest is, you know, if you want to wear a black bra, you can with this dress, or you could probably layer it with like maybe one of those camisoles, or maybe a tank top, like a black tank top that maybe have a lace detail in the back, so that way the lace detail could be showing in the back as well. But you know, it can be worn like this as well. I mean, I've actually worn it like that in the video with nothing, just, you know, with a bra and then this, okay? And I just think it just looks so pretty. The fabric is a really good fabric, ladies. I would highly recommend this dress. So if you're looking for a black dress to wear in the spring and summer, I would highly recommend this dress. Me sharing is this dress right here. So this dress, I would have to say I have a lot of thoughts about this dress. Would I buy it again? Would I try it again? Yes. But the only thing is, I mean, I love the color of this dress. The only thing is the fabric, it seems like it's a little see-through, and so you will see how I styled it. And it is a body-hugging dress. It kind of reminds me of the dresses that Kim Kardashian have. I think they're called skimps. The type of dresses that she actually had. It kind of reminds me of those type of dresses, and it's really, really beautiful. It's one of those dresses that if you just put it with a pair of heels, it just looks absolutely gorgeous. But the thing is, the fabric is just too thin, so I had to layer it with a lace duster. And this lace duster I did not get from Shein, but it is from HSN, and it is from the company Curations. It looks so pretty. I love this lace duster, and so I had to do kind of like a boho chic type of style with this tan color dress, with this khaki color dress. I am going to see if I can find another dress at Shein that's very similar to this, but for the fabric to be a little bit more thicker. And like I have mentioned, the fabric is thin. Would I buy this again? Would I try it again? Yes. But the only thing is the fabric is just thin, so I'm just going to have to layer it with like a duster or maybe a jacket, and then that way it would look absolutely fabulous. So moving along, to the other dresses, and let me go ahead and share the last two dresses. Okay, so moving along is the green dress. So this dress is the same exact style of the khaki dress, but it is the same fabric, but this one is not see-through. This one is just absolutely gorgeous. Now, I did do a monochromatic look with this dress, and I basically paired it with a green beaded tassel necklace and matching earrings, and a green straw bag clutch, and then a green strappy heels. And I just think that whole look, that whole outfit look, very classy, very feminine, and very elegant. And this is the perfect dress for spring and summer. It's very body hugging. It's a really pretty dress. It have a square neckline, and here is the back. It is very stretchy, very, very stretchy. And it is a dress, like I've mentioned, that I would recommend. You can dress it up and you can dress it down. And I just love this color because it's not a color that I have in my wardrobe. So I'm very happy that I got this. And I think this color would look great with black. It would look great with pink. And like I mentioned, I did do a monochromatic look with this dress. And it just looks so pretty. Now, the next dress, and of course the last dress that I got, is this beautiful dress. Now, here is the front of the dress. And this is an absolutely gorgeous dress. It is a maxi dress, and again, it's just like the black. It is oversized. The only thing is it doesn't really have a pocket, and it doesn't really skim over your body. It just kind of hangs over your body. It just, it's one of those dresses that's oversized, and it's supposed to be an oversized dress. And these oversized dresses are one of my favorite type of styles, because when it is hot outside, ladies, and it's really hot, you want to wear something a little bit more loose. And so I would highly recommend this dress for spring and summer. And I just think it is so pretty, and it kind of have this kind of melon type of color to it. It's not a hot pink, but it's the perfect shade of pink. And I actually paired it with a green necklace. I kind of did like a chunky look with it, and then I also paired it with a beautiful scarf that I made also into a necklace as well. And I just love this. I love how it looks. I love the fabric. The fabric is just really soft to the touch. And like I've mentioned, when it is hot outside, like these type of dresses I would highly recommend, because they look classy, they look elegant, they look feminine. You can pair them with pearls to kind of dress them up, and heels, and you can make them look casual. Like I've mentioned, casually chic, with some sandals, and also like a chunky necklace. I think that type of look absolutely gorgeous with these oversized dresses, and I love wearing these oversized dresses with a straw hat or a straw handbag. I just think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And that is it, like I have mentioned, for the dresses. And as you can see, all of these dresses, ladies, they're really basic dresses. I would highly recommend them. And you know, although I do love a wonderful printed dress, but I also love these basic dresses because you can dress them up and you can dress them down. So ladies, that is it for today's video. And like I have mentioned, I will be posting videos every other Sunday. So that is going to be the schedule. And I'm very happy to be back. And leave a comment down below. Which dress was your favorite? Let me know what you think of the dresses. And like I have mentioned, all of these dresses are from Shein. I will be posting the links down below in the description box. And I will be posting like different sizes. I will do the small sizes, and then the medium sizes, and then the plus size. So I'll be posting all of the sizes that are available in these dresses. So if you are interested, you can definitely get those dresses. I think they are just so pretty, and I am going to be posting all types of sizes in my links, so that way if you're a size 2, then you can get a dress, or if you're a size 16, or if you're a size 18, you can find the perfect dress. And so that is what I'm going to be doing. And also, you can follow me on Instagram. I do have an Instagram account. And you can also follow me on my other YouTube channel as well. I'll be linking it down below in the description box. And all of my social media is going to be down below in the description box. And like I have mentioned, I'm really excited to be back. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see. Of course, they would have to be within the fashion, makeup, fragrance genre. So again, let me know what kind of videos you would like to see, and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be doing more makeup tutorials, more fashion and style videos, and more fragrance review videos. Bye-bye, and God bless.